This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Cortivac 10 tablet is a medication used to treat adrenal hormone deficiencies. It plays a vital role in various therapeutic settings. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for use as a replacement therapy to address insufficient adrenal hormone levels due to an underactive adrenal gland. It also helps inhibit the production of adrenocorticotropic hormone, especially when used in conjunction with aminoglutethimide for treating specific cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Moreover, it can manage several illnesses and restore adrenal hormone levels following surgical procedures, injuries, or stressful situations. How it works. Cortivac 10 tablet works by replenishing low cortisol levels and blocking certain chemical messengers that cause inflammation, thereby reducing swelling and pain. Directions for use. Take Cortivac 10 tablet as prescribed by your physician. Swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water, do not crush or chew it. The healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your age, body weight, and medical condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects include mental health issues, but other serious side effects may necessitate immediate medical consultation. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised when using this medication in pregnant or breastfeeding women, as it should only be used if absolutely necessary. Additionally, it should be administered with care to individuals with kidney, liver, or heart issues. FAQs. 1. What is Cortivac 10 tablet used for? It is used to replace insufficient adrenal hormones in the body. 2. What are the side effects? Mental health problems are common, but other serious side effects can occur. 3. How does it work? It replenishes cortisol levels and blocks inflammation-causing messengers. 4. How should it be taken? Swallow the tablet with water as advised by your physician. 5. Is it safe during pregnancy? It should be used with caution and only if necessary. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below.